Are you in a rut where you're feeling tired all the time? Maybe you've been struggling to get through the day. Or you're just straight up feeling depleted, not able to restore your best self. Hey there, I'm Dr. Josh Bletzinger, functional medicine doctor. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the gateway symptom, fatigue, and my 3 keys to squash it without energy potions or risky meds. Did you know that fatigue is a gateway symptom of a deeper challenge? Comment yes or no below. And if you find this content helpful, let me know by liking this video and or subscribing below. The quintessential symptom known as fatigue often leads one to splurge on energy supplements and home remedies. And while these remedies are basically like covering the engine warning light with a piece of black electrical tape, it's the accumulating, daily altering fatigue that will lead the investigation into a doctor's office. Listen, fatigue has everything to do with a faulty metabolism. And initially, the general assumption is a low-functioning thyroid. But when the thyroid is normal and a further inconclusive battery of tests turns up in normal ranges, it's always going to be blamed on something else. Or you get the response, that's normal, but still no fatigue resolution in sight. Most conventional doctors will start with the blame game and a rather conservative approach. So lose weight, eat better, start exercising, in helping one lift their fatigue symptoms. But with little resolution or no improvement in those energy levels, it's time to dig into the labs, start pinning with a disease label, and ultimately digging in to the prescription toolbox. In practice, I often see a hierarchy of symptoms where fatigue is usually that gateway to a deeper developing problem. Most fatigue sufferers are stressed and aggravated, and when they're experiencing this type of stuff, it literally is blown off as if it doesn't exist. As the fatigue continues to affect daily living activities, the stress levels and metabolic breakdown continue to accumulate. The ultimate solution is to find out what's gunking up the metabolism from producing the energy needed to power your body. But in the meantime, here are my 3 keys to addressing the symptom of fatigue. Number 1, fatigue can be life-altering and lead down a trail of disease labeling, trial and error home remedies, and a carousel of prescription medications. So, record when and where you are experiencing that energy zap and everything that revolves around it. Is it right out of the gate in the morning? Are you hitting a wall in the afternoon? Is it relentless during the day where you can't get your work done? Also, note the other symptoms that relate to a gunked up metabolism. Are you losing your hair? Are you constipated? Are you gaining weight? Where is the sluggishness happening in your body function? And when you take a holistic approach, these clues, they can start to lead to the underlying causes. Hormonal dysfunction, blood sugar imbalance, food environmental sensitivities, gut dysbiosis, stealth infections, nutritional deficiencies, and everyone has their own unique set of causes. Number 2, remove the toxins in your diet. Are you eating a lot of grains, processed foods, heavy vegetable seed oils, lectin-based veggies, sugars and or high fructose corn syrup on a regular basis? 3, lay off the energy potions. As easy as it is to just reach for energy drinks and potions, you are supporting the end of the pathway and not addressing the problem. The other destructor in this scenario is most of these energy potions or those $8 coffee concoctions are just straight up sugar bombs. And if you're sugar free, you can bet that you have a ton of fake chemical ridden sugars in those drinks. And here's a bonus. Move. That's right, go for a walk, stretch, use a foam roller. When gunk stores up in your fascia, it's slowing down blood flow and trapping crap in and around your muscles, your organs, and your joints. All right, that's a recipe for fatigue. The take-home message here is fatigue is a gateway symptom and a warning sign to metabolic dysfunction. In a well-constructed functional medicine evaluation, we work to uncover the probable body systems under significant distress, looking for stealth toxicities, nutrient deficiencies, and metabolic deterrence. With this information, we can create a personalized health optimization plan that helps restore body function, lifting fatigue and correcting metabolic function as the premise. Again, I hope you found this information helpful, and I want to thank you for watching. And if you are interested in partnering with me to learn more about how functional medicine can be the answer to rebooting your metabolism and helpful for other chronic health issues, click the link somewhere around this video and schedule a phone call with me. I'll talk to you soon.